Are you like me and have a bunch of cans of finish sitting around and you can't remember which ones you've opened and which ones are new? I've got a tip for you. Hi there and welcome to WB Fun Woodworking. I'm Don. Today I've got a quick tip for you. I hope you like it. I've used this def lacquer since the early 1960s when I first started doing some woodworking on a serious basis. It's a wonderful finish. Unfortunately, here in California, I can only get it in spray cans. The state has decided that the brushing lacquer is not environmentally safe, so they don't sell that or allow that to be sold in California. So I do have the spray lacquer that I use quite a bit. The tip that I wanted to show you is how I keep track of the cans that I've opened. So I'll turn this can up on end, and what I do is I just take a Sharpie marker and I just put an O on the top. And that tells me that this can has been opened and I've used it to spray. That way, if I have a bunch of cans sitting around, I already know which ones that I've already opened and which ones I haven't opened. I use the same technique for my brushing and wipe-on finishes. Well, there you go, a quick tip that might even save you some money. I know it saves me some frustration. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up down below. Leave any questions or comments. I greatly appreciate those. And thank you all very much for watching.